BHRAMARI Pranayama. BHRAMARI is mostly used in the series of pranayama to control over your thoughts, to control over your energy, to make your energy more positive, to work on stress, to work on anxiety, to practice BHRAMARI. In BHRAMARI, you may choose any comfortable sitting posture. Maybe in this Vajrasana. If you want, you can cross the legs. You can sit in Sukhasana, Lotus, Padmasana, Siddhasana. There are so many postures. But when you practice BHRAMARI, it's very important to be very relaxed, to be very at comfort. As you check your position, please make sure your breathing is longer, your breathing is deeper. BHRAMARI. Brahm means to vibrate your chakras, to vibrate your system. In BHRAMARI, we make this vibration with throat chakra, with Vishuddhi Chakra. How to practice BHRAMARI? It's very interesting and very divine. When you practice BHRAMARI, please be fully focused on yourself, about your energy. I will show how to practice BHRAMARI. In BHRAMARI, we cover our eyes with fingers, we close our ears with palms. So means we stop this energy which was flowing from these points, and then we utilize this energy. For BHRAMARI, we close the ears, we cover the eyes, and all the awareness on third eye channel, on Ajya Chakra. With a deep breath to fill your lungs, when you exhale, we make this beautiful sound. Second time, same practice. As you complete BHRAMARI, please come back to the meditative state. Both hands on each other. Just to be very relaxed. Without any movement, without any motion. Just to go in, just to go ahead. And to be fully focused on Vishuddhi Chakra. This is very effective to open this chakra. It's very effective to pause the energy on Ajya Chakra. And to stay there longer. In Hatha Yoga, this is mentioned after BHRAMARI, your meditation starts. This is a way, a medium, how you find where to focus. You get some objective in your meditation. Just to be in your nature, to stay there longer, and to feel this working on this chakra. And also to practice meditation. This is the working of BHRAMARI. Open these chakras, work with these chakras. When to practice BHRAMARI? Early morning and sunset. These two times are the best to practice this pranayama. Who should practice BHRAMARI? Everyone can practice BHRAMARI. There is no limitation. BHRAMARI is to purify yourself. BHRAMARI is to make your energy positive. BHRAMARI is to make yourself divine. Especially if someone is suffering with a lot of stress, lot of struggle. You are not getting any answer what to do. Start practicing BHRAMARI. You will be so able to make connection with yourself. The benefits of BHRAMARI. BHRAMARI is so effective to open Vishuddhi Chakra, Ajya Chakra, even heart chakra. If you can bring your attention on these three chakras, you will find out the working of Brahmari. Who should not practice Brahmari? Actually, Brahmari is for all. Brahmari can be practiced in any way. It's nothing like that there is any restriction to practice Brahmari. But maybe there is any thought disorder, you may not able to produce this sound. So maybe to avoid it. And Brahmari will offer you so much divinity. Please practice it. Please try it. And again, thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please subscribe the channel.